What if I told you that the most powerful anti-aging secret on the planet is not sitting inside an expensive cream at a department store, and it is definitely not being injected into your face by a cosmetic surgeon? What if this secret has been hiding in plain sight inside ordinary foods you may already have in your kitchen, and the only reason your skin is aging faster than it should is because your body is quietly, silently running out of it? I know that sounds almost too simple to believe, and I completely understand your skepticism, because the beauty industry has spent billions of dollars making sure you never find out about this. But today, everything changes, because by the time this video is over, you are going to understand exactly which single mineral is responsible for keeping your skin firm, smooth, and youthful from the inside out, why the vast majority of people over the age of 40 are deficient in it, and precisely how to restore it so your body can start reversing those wrinkles naturally, without a single drop of cream, without a single injection, and without spending a fortune. So stay with me, because what I am about to share with you is backed by real science, and it has the potential to completely change the way you think about aging. Let us start with a question that most people never think to ask. Why does skin actually wrinkle in the first place? We have been told it is just aging, just time doing what time does. But that is an incomplete answer, and incomplete answers lead to ineffective solutions. The real biological reason your skin develops wrinkles is a collapse in its internal scaffolding. Your skin is held up, kept firm, and kept smooth by two structural proteins, collagen and elastin. Collagen is what gives your skin its thickness and its strength. Elastin is what allows it to bounce back after being stretched or moved. When you are young, your body produces both of these proteins in abundance, which is why children and teenagers have skin that looks almost impossibly smooth. But starting in your mid-20s, the body begins to slow down its production of these proteins, and by the time most people reach their 40s and 50s, that production has dropped so dramatically that the scaffolding under the skin begins to collapse, and the result is lines, sagging, and wrinkles. Now here is where it gets interesting. That slowdown in collagen and elastin production is not purely about age. A significant portion of it is about a specific deficiency that is completely within your control to correct. And that deficiency is in a mineral called zinc. Zinc. You may have heard of it in the context of fighting a cold or boosting your immune system, but what most people do not know, and what the cosmetic industry absolutely does not want you to know, is that zinc is one of the most critical players in the entire process of skin repair, collagen synthesis, and cellular regeneration. In fact, zinc is involved in the activity of over 300 enzymes in the human body, and a significant number of those enzymes are directly responsible for building and maintaining healthy skin. Without adequate zinc, your skin literally cannot repair itself properly. Without adequate zinc, your collagen production is compromised. Without adequate zinc, the cells that form the outer layer of your skin, called keratinocytes, cannot function efficiently. And the result of all of that is premature aging, deeper wrinkles, and skin that looks tired and dull, no matter how much sleep you get or how much water you drink. Let me explain the mechanism more specifically so you can really appreciate how powerful this is. There is a family of enzymes in the body called matrix metalloproteinases, or MMPs. These enzymes are responsible for breaking down old damaged collagen so that new collagen can be built in its place. Zinc is an essential cofactor for these enzymes, meaning that without zinc, this entire recycling process breaks down. Old, damaged collagen accumulates under the skin, new healthy collagen cannot be properly synthesized, and the structural integrity of the skin deteriorates. Researchers have confirmed this in multiple studies, showing that individuals with lower zinc levels have significantly thinner skin, more pronounced wrinkles, and slower wound healing compared to those with optimal zinc levels. And this is not a small difference. We are talking about a measurable, visible difference in skin quality and appearance. Now, zinc also plays a profound role in protecting your skin from something that accelerates aging at an alarming rate: oxidative stress. Every single day, your skin is exposed to ultraviolet radiation from the sun, pollution from the air, and internal inflammation from poor diet or stress. These forces generate something called free radicals, which are unstable molecules that damage your skin cells at a molecular level and accelerate the breakdown of collagen and elastin. Zinc is a critical component of an antioxidant enzyme called superoxide dismutase, which is one of your body's most powerful defenses against free radical damage. When your zinc levels are low, this enzyme cannot function optimally, and your skin becomes far more vulnerable to the environmental and internal stresses that make it age faster. Think of zinc as both the construction worker and the security guard of your skin. It builds the structure and it protects the structure from being torn down. Here is something else that will likely surprise you. Zinc has a direct and powerful relationship with vitamin A metabolism, and vitamin A, in its active form called retinoic acid, is probably the most scientifically validated compound in all of dermatology for reducing wrinkles. You may know it by the name retinol, which is the main active ingredient in the most expensive anti-aging creams on the market. The reason retinol works is because it stimulates collagen production, increases cell turnover, and thickens the skin over time. But here is the critical piece that nobody talks about. Your body cannot properly transport, activate, or utilize vitamin A without zinc. Zinc is required for the synthesis of a protein called retinol binding protein, which is the vehicle that carries vitamin A through your bloodstream to your skin cells. If your zinc levels are low, this transport system breaks down, and even if you are eating plenty of vitamin A-rich foods or applying retinol cream to your face every night, your skin cells may not be receiving the benefit they should be. This is why some people spend hundreds of dollars on retinol products and see very little improvement. It is not that retinol does not work, it is that without sufficient zinc, the whole system is compromised from the start. So the logical next question is, who is deficient in zinc, and how widespread is this problem? The honest answer is that zinc deficiency is far more common than most people realize. According to the World Health Organization, approximately 17% of the global population is at risk for inadequate zinc intake. But when you narrow it down to specific populations, those numbers become much more striking. Older adults are disproportionately affected because zinc absorption decreases with age due to changes in stomach acid production and gut function. Women are at higher risk than men because of differences in dietary patterns. People who follow plant-based or vegetarian diets are significantly more likely to be deficient because the most bioavailable forms of zinc come from animal sources. People who consume large amounts of alcohol are at high risk because alcohol interferes with zinc absorption and increases its excretion through urine. And people who are chronically stressed are at elevated risk because cortisol, the stress hormone, depletes zinc from the body over time. When you add all of these risk factors together, it becomes clear that a very large portion of the adult population is walking around with suboptimal zinc levels and aging faster because of it. Now let us talk about something extremely important, the signs of zinc deficiency that show up specifically on your skin. Because if you know what to look for, you may realize that your skin has been trying to tell you something for a long time. The most obvious skin-related sign of zinc deficiency is slow wound healing. If you notice that small cuts, scratches, or blemishes take an unusually long time to heal, that is a classic indication that your zinc levels are low. Another major sign is acne or frequent skin breakouts in adults. Because zinc is a natural regulator of oil production and has anti-inflammatory properties that help keep breakouts under control. When zinc is low, sebum production can become dysregulated and inflammation increases, leading to persistent adult acne. Dry, flaky skin that does not respond well to moisturizers is another red flag, as is a generally dull, uneven skin tone. Stretch marks can also be associated with zinc deficiency because zinc is required for proper collagen synthesis, and when collagen production is compromised, the skin cannot maintain its elasticity under stress. And of course, premature wrinkles and fine lines, particularly around the eyes, mouth and forehead, are among the most visible consequences of long-term insufficient zinc intake. Now that you understand why zinc matters so profoundly for your skin, let us get into what you can actually do about it. And I want to be very clear here, the goal is not to bombard your body with zinc in the hope that more is better. Like most things in nutrition, balance is everything, and too much zinc can actually be harmful. The goal is to reach and maintain optimal levels. So let us start with food, because food-based zinc is almost always the best starting point. The single richest dietary source of zinc on the planet is oysters. This is not even close. A serving of 6 medium oysters provides more than 30 milligrams of zinc, which is more than double the recommended daily intake for most adults. If oysters are accessible to you and you enjoy them, making them a regular part of your diet even once or twice a week can make a meaningful difference in your zinc status over time. The next best sources are red meat, particularly beef and lamb. A 3-ounce serving of beef provides approximately 7 milligrams of zinc, which is a substantial contribution to your daily needs. Pork is another good source, as are dark meat chicken and turkey. For those who do not eat meat, pumpkin seeds are one of the best plant-based sources of zinc available, with about 2 to 3 milligrams per ounce. Hemp seeds, cashews, chickpeas, lentils and oats are also meaningful contributors. However, if you rely primarily on plant sources, it is important to understand that plants contain compounds called phytates, which bind to zinc and reduce its absorption. The zinc from plant sources is simply not as bioavailable as the zinc from animal sources. To counter this, you can soak or sprout legumes and seeds before consuming them, as this process breaks down phytates and significantly improves zinc absorption. When it comes to supplementation, zinc is widely available in several different forms, and they are not all created equal. The most well-absorbed and bioavailable forms of zinc supplements are zinc picolinate, zinc bisglycinate, and zinc acetate. These forms are chelated, meaning the zinc is bound to an organic compound that makes it far easier for your body to absorb and utilize. Zinc oxide and zinc sulfate, which are commonly found in cheaper supplements, are significantly less bioavailable and may cause more digestive discomfort. The standard recommended daily intake of zinc for adult women is 8 milligrams, and for adult men it is 11 milligrams. Therapeutic doses used to address deficiency are typically in the range of 25 to 40 milligrams per day, but it is important not to exceed 40 milligrams daily for extended periods without medical guidance, as this can interfere with copper absorption and create a secondary deficiency. This is why many health practitioners recommend taking zinc supplements that are formulated with a small amount of copper to maintain balance. There are also some important timing and pairing considerations when it comes to maximizing zinc absorption. Zinc competes with calcium and iron for absorption, which means that if you take your zinc supplement at the same time as a calcium supplement or an iron supplement, you may significantly reduce how much of each mineral your body actually absorbs. It is best to take zinc at a different time of day than these other minerals. Zinc is also better absorbed on an empty stomach for most people, though some individuals experience nausea in that case, in which case taking it with a small amount of food is perfectly fine. And one of the most important tips, avoid combining zinc supplementation with coffee or tea in the same sitting, because the tannins and polyphenols in these beverages can substantially inhibit zinc absorption. Now, one thing I want to address is the question of how long it takes to actually see results in the skin, because I know that when you are dealing with something as visible and as emotionally significant as wrinkles, patience is not always easy. The honest answer is that the timeline varies depending on the severity of your deficiency and the current condition of your skin. In general, the first improvements people tend to notice are in skin texture and hydration, usually within 4 to 8 weeks of consistently optimizing zinc intake. Fine lines around the eyes and mouth may begin to appear softer and less pronounced within 3 to 6 months. Deeper wrinkles that have developed over years require longer-term commitment and are best approached alongside other lifestyle factors such as adequate hydration, sufficient sleep, sun protection, and a diet rich in antioxidants. But the key word in all of this is consistency. Zinc is not a one-time solution. It is a daily nutritional commitment that your skin will reward you for over time. I also want to mention something about the synergistic relationship between zinc and a few other key nutrients, because skin health is never the result of a single variable in isolation. Zinc works most powerfully when it is accompanied by adequate vitamin C, which is an essential cofactor in collagen synthesis. Vitamin C and zinc together create a significantly more robust collagen-building environment than either does alone. Zinc also works synergistically with vitamin E, another powerful antioxidant that protects skin cell membranes from oxidative damage. And as I mentioned earlier, zinc is critically important for the activation and transport of vitamin A, which means that a diet rich in all four of these nutrients creates a foundation for skin health that no topical cream or cosmetic procedure can replicate from the outside. It is also worth briefly acknowledging the lifestyle factors that aggressively deplete zinc and undermine everything you are trying to accomplish. Chronic alcohol consumption is one of the most potent zinc depleters. High sugar intake drives inflammation that accelerates collagen breakdown and simultaneously disrupts the gut environment that zinc absorption depends on. Chronic psychological stress elevates cortisol, which has been shown to actively deplete zinc from tissues over time. And excessive reliance on processed nutrient-poor foods means your body is simply not getting the raw materials it needs to maintain healthy skin, regardless of what supplements you take. Addressing these factors is not optional if you want to see lasting results. They are as important as the zinc itself. To bring everything together, here is what you need to remember from everything we have covered today. Your skin ages primarily because of a collapse in collagen and elastin production, and zinc is one of the most critical minerals your body needs to build, maintain, and protect those proteins. Zinc deficiency is remarkably common, particularly in older adults, people under chronic stress, those who drink alcohol regularly, and those following plant-heavy diets. The signs of zinc deficiency are written on your skin, if you know how to read them, from slow wound healing and adult acne to dull texture and premature wrinkles. You can restore optimal zinc levels through strategic dietary choices and high-quality supplementation, and your skin will begin to reflect that restoration over weeks and months of consistent effort. There is no cream, no serum, and no injection that can substitute for giving your body the nutritional foundation it needs to regenerate from within. And zinc is one of the most powerful tools in that foundation. If you found this information valuable today, please do not keep it to yourself. Share this video with someone you care about who is looking for real science-backed answers to aging well. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you never miss a new video. Give this one a like if it opened your eyes to something new. And let me know in the comments what topic you want me to cover next. Your questions and suggestions genuinely shape what content I create, and I read every single comment. Thank you for watching, take care of your body, and I will see you in the next one.